Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on iCoinPro trading portal and how to use the trading portal. So before we get into that, let's go over the trading disclaimers. No results are guaranteed. 100% of the responsibility is on you, and this is a very highly risky way to make money. You will most likely lose money before you make money in day trading. And if you refer someone to iCoinPro, remember that not everyone makes money. Results are not typical. It takes hard work to build a business. And most people make $0 online because they do not actually apply the information and they give up and move on. So let's go ahead and go to the trading portal, okay? So right here, okay, let me go and refresh it. Alright, so here is the brand new trading portal, and let me put it on this chart right here, okay? So this is what you'll see when you actually go ahead and buy the trading portal and log in. So it automatically has the Bollinger Band set up, it automatically has the RSI and the MACD, and then you have your chart up here, obviously. So put that right there, and then we have the ability to customize this. You can customize it however you want with whatever indicators you want. You can add all sorts of things that you would maybe want to use for your trades if you already are using that indicator. However, what I like to use this for is right here is the trade finder. Okay, so the trade finder right now is not finding very many trades, but we see a dip trade and a squeeze trade right here. So what you can do is open it up in the chart, okay, and we can see that it's doing a dip trade right here. The market's starting to drop. So we go right here, and we can see the RSI hit real low right here, okay. So anytime the RSI hits this dashed line, it's probably a good time to buy. Okay, so let's see if we can see the micro profit system trade. Let's see, dropped out once, came back in, dropped out twice, came back in. Normally we would wait for a third drop, potentially, and then that would be the micro profit system purchase, and that would be the trade. So what you're going to do now is you're going to basically go through the free boot camp, okay? So when you actually log in, here, let me log out. Go to login. So when you decide to pre-enroll for free, you're going to learn the boot camp. The boot camp right here, right when you scroll down, is on the front page, okay? So right here you got video 1, video 2, and then video 3, okay? There you go. And then you even learn how to set up TradingView alerts so that you don't have to watch charts all day. Alright, very powerful. So then after that, you can actually learn how to paper trade as well. So click Free Bootcamp, scroll down, we got how to paper trade. Alright, how to practice. So you can learn a 97% win rate trade style right here for free, and then you can practice right here, and then you can actually practice on the portal as well if you want. So that's what's really powerful. Actually, you practice on Binance or Coinbase, and then it keeps track on the portal, okay? But anyways, this is what I like to use it for. Okay, so we got another dip trade notification for compounds. Let's see that. Okay, so we're not really in a dip trade. This is more of a squeeze. Maybe it will be making a dip trade. But again, we're going to cross-reference the knowledge that we learn. Okay, so the knowledge that we learn in the boot camp right here for free. Alright. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and actually cross-reference that with the chart. And if the chart does not show what we learned, then that means that this is in an early stage, right? So this is probably in an early dip stage, a dip trade stage. Let's check out IMX. Okay, so we see it went out, back in, out. Okay, so we went outside, back in, outside, back in. Now the RSI did hit, so because the RSI did hit so low right here, it might be a potential buy that you would want. Now because this didn't drop out 3 times, the market might only go back up a little bit, and it might not be worth the spread or worth the fee to actually make that trade. So you want to make sure that you wait for good trades, okay? But that's the trade finder, okay? So now there's RSI Spy, which I really like to use. So this is cool because you can see the RSI right here, and right here for the 1 day, 4 hour, 1 hour. So what I like to do is scroll through here. So BCH/USD is high on the 1 hour, right? It's a really high RSI, which means the market has probably gone up. So let me look right here. Look, the market's gone up, right? So it would actually be a good idea to grab my phone and short Bitcoin Cash, okay? So because the RSI is so high, I would want to go to my MetaTrader 4 app and see if I can trade Bitcoin Cash, okay? And then I would put in a short for Bitcoin Cash once the market hits back up here again. So wait for it to bounce back up a little bit more. But basically you short, well, this is not what the system teaches, but I like to short at the red and buy at the red, okay? So see how the RSI is so high, everything's so high, high 1 hour RSI. So you're probably going to want to short this or sell, right? Sell your coin or short, and then buy back in about down here, okay? So Bitcoin Cash, now we got OPUSD on the 4 hour as below 30, okay? So anytime the RSI is below 30, you really want to look for a buy. So scroll out. Okay, we go to the 1 hour. Okay, see how the RSI keeps hitting low, keeps hitting down here. Okay, those are good buy potentials. And then because it's so low on the 4 hour RSI, that's a really good sign right there. Okay, so after watching this video, keep an eye on OPUSD. It might drop more, but but this is basically the turnaround point where it's going to start to go up. Okay. Now we got RND USD on the 1 hour 28. Okay, so we got a low RSI, really low here. Got high sell volume, and then scroll in. Okay, we can see we had a squeeze right here, and then a bubble, so which is what you learned in the boot camp. So we have one dip right here. So we're beginning a dip trade right here. Okay. Now the RSI is really low on the 1 hour as well. So let me check the 4 hour. Oh, the 4 hour is really low on the RSI as well. Okay, so it's at 31. So the market's probably going to start to recover again and start to go back up. We got a high RSI for curve which means you're probably going to want to sell your curve coin. Okay. There we go. So see how it's pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. You might do some more push-ups, but this is basically where you're going to be wanting to sell. And then you're going to want to short right about here. Okay, short it here, sell it off here. So that's a big 4-hour RSI. We got an even bigger 4-hour RSI for APT. Okay, look at that. Boom. Okay, see how it hit above the red line, and then now it's time to short or sell. So you go and short the market. Okay. It's probably going to drop all the way back down and start doing a dip trade. Okay. So here, really high RSI on the 1 hour. Okay. So see how it's doing really well, but it's not up here. So it's probably going to keep going. Okay. And then let's see what else we got. Let's see this one right here. Chart. So 1 day 30 RSI, and let's see if it pulls up. Sometimes one or two of these coins won't pull up, but let's see. See how there's a squeeze? See how everything's being squeezed together? So this coin is going to do something soon. It's either going to go up or down. Let's see. It's going to go down. Okay. So this is probably going to go down. Unless it makes a surprise. But there, let's go back to this one. Chart. Maybe that one doesn't pull up. Let's go to AMP. AMP's really popular. Huge 1 day RSI into the 29s. So AMP is a really, really good buy right now. Okay? Really, really good buy. Yeah, I think that this is a good buy right here. AMP coin. And then, let's see. We got really high on Link. Okay, Link, let's see. ASM really high on the 1 day. Link BTC. Okay, so let's check out the BCT pairs. Really, really high on all of them. Right? So, boom. Okay. So you might be wanting to short once this hits, once it hits this red line again. Okay. Or you might want to just buy when it hits this green line again. So you can play either side, but and then over here you get notifications about different dip alerts and different dip trades. Okay. So I like to use it right here. I like to use the trade finder right here. I like to use the RSI, and then the Buddy Coin Crawler is really good too. So the Buddy Coin Crawler will find coins that will be moving more than Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin moves 10%, some of these coins will move 15, 30%. So that's what this helps you find. But yeah, guys, that's my video on the trading portal. I really, really enjoy it, and let's see, go to BTC USD. And I'm really, really finding it a lot easier to trade using the portal versus other tools. So if you want to grab the trading portal in iCoinPro, it's only $10 per month versus TradingView, which is like $30 a month. And you get way more in one spot. Okay? And it's already even integrated to use the micro profit system trading strategy already. Right? It's already set up. So thanks for watching this video. Go ahead and get your trading portal in the link down below and join my team.